It's July 4th weekend and we're going to make something fun for the kids to make, a little patriotic with our red, white and blue. It's a great cold dessert to eat for the summer days and enjoy the weekend with and have fun with the kids making it.
Big star.
Using star cutters, because we have them, stars and stripes for the flag, and then I'm going to use this one next. We have little shooting stars, but you know, if it's not 4th of July and you want to make this with any cookie cutters you have at home, you can do that too. Yeah. You know, any of these watermelon leftovers, I guess Mum and Dad could make a cocktail for the summer days. Does it look good?
Yeah.
There you have it. Kids' simple snack, patriotic, red, white and blue. Or just for a summer snack.
And it's yummy.
And they're yummy.